So the packaging is actually very well thought out. It's very high quality. Even the finish that's on the cardboard that that you're presented with at the very beginning is actually very, very good. I was very surprised. It was a lot higher quality than I thought it would be, and it shows you everything that's going to be in the package. Very, very simple to follow. No surprises whatsoever. And once you actually get it out of the package, obviously you end up with the NEEWER microfiber cleaning cloth, which makes sense because this is an actual filter, which is glass. It will get dust on it. You are going to want to clean it. So that was a nice surprise, actually. The plastic housing that the filter sits in is actually a pretty dense plastic. The nice thing about it is those two cutouts that you see here, where you can just easily grab the filter and remove it without touching the actual filter or having to finagle your way through. And as you twist the filter from ND2 to ND32, it actually does stop at each end. So you don't over twist it, which is when you get those cross hatch marks on a lot of the variable ND filters. So installation is very simple. You just line up the threads, thread it on until it stops, and then it's the magnet after that. It's very, very simple, very intuitive. The magnet isn't super strong, but it's not super light either. So there's no risk of you being able to knock it off, but at the same time, you don't have to worry about it being so strong. It's difficult to utilize. It does have some ridges, so when you actually are mounting the magnet in place, it will lock in place as you see here, and boom, there. Just moved in, and it locks in place. And that allows you to only be moving the ND2 to ND32 part of the filter. And it's a very, very well thought out design. I was very impressed with that. Now, in regards to the image quality, as you can see here, it doesn't seem bad. It doesn't seem bad. The ND32 image does make a difference. As you can see, it is a lot smoother in regards to the water and the way it's flowing. The one thing that you do need to be aware of, though, is depending on the lighting circumstances, as you see here, there is color shift. Now, it's easy to fix in post-processing. It's not that big an issue because it basically just leans onto the warmer side of things. It's very simple to fix in post, and it's a lot better than the other variable ND filters or straight ND filters I've seen where it creates a very difficult to remove completely purple cast. So again, different image here, ND2 versus ND32, but you can see ND32. It is a much warmer interpretation, but overall this is a very, very good, well-priced filter.
Okay, we're shooting at 4K 30 frames per second. Therefore, I have my shutter speed set at 1/60th of a second. Double the frame rate, f6.3, auto ISO just to be able to do this demonstration. I'm going to put the ND filter on. We will be starting out at 2 stops, working our way up to the 9 stops. See if we have that wonderful X pattern happening. Sometimes you need that ND filter to be able to shoot at the proper frame rate. As I said, I'm at 60th of a second for the frame rate of 30 frames per second. There we go. I don't see an X pattern happening. That's good. Just wish there was maybe a little bit of a handle to be able to turn this as I'm actually filming, but so far so good. Let's go see if there's any color distortion whatsoever.
Slow, at the noon, wait, they side get back at the midnight, no. Better get my